Securing Azure SQL performance tuning is crucial for optimizing database performance and ensuring the reliability of your applications. To achieve this, follow these steps. First, monitor your Azure SQL database performance using Azure Monitor, which provides real-time insights into your database's performance metrics, such as CPU usage, memory usage, and query performance. This helps identify bottlenecks and areas for improvement. Next, analyze your database's query performance using the Query Store, which provides detailed information about query execution plans, wait statistics, and resource usage. This helps identify poorly performing queries that need optimization. To optimize queries, use indexing, which improves query performance by reducing the number of rows that need to be scanned. Create indexes on columns used in where, join, and order by clauses, but avoid over-indexing, as it can slow down write operations. Additionally, update statistics regularly, as outdated statistics can lead to suboptimal query plans. Use the SP_update stats stored procedure to update statistics for all tables in your database. Another important step is to implement connection pooling, which reduces the overhead of creating and closing database connections. Use the built-in connection pooling mechanism in Azure SQL to improve connection efficiency. To further optimize performance, consider implementing partitioning, which divides large tables into smaller, more manageable pieces. This improves query performance and reduces storage costs. Finally, use Azure SQL's built-in security features, such as encryption and access controls, to protect your database from unauthorized access and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. By following these steps and best practices, you can secure your Azure SQL performance tuning, improve database performance, and ensure the reliability and security of your applications. Regularly monitor and analyze your database's performance, optimize queries, and implement connection pooling and partitioning to achieve optimal performance and security.